guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Wakangubane. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. Esivuka ngazo namhlanje, over 120 undocumented foreign nationals have been arrested for offenses such as possession of drugs, counterfeit US dollars, illegal renting of buildings and collecting money from tenants, illegal connection of electricity, and for being in the country illegally during a KZN police operation in Durban at Point area. Abaziyo ukuthi lapha Point, they would know where this operation was at. Over 100 rounds of ammunition was also found.
Amaphoyisa lokho eqala njengoba ngisho ngiqala ntathakusa ngabo4 engena amabhilidi ephuma seze sakwazi ukubopha abantu abangaphezulu kwa120 esibathole ke yonke le ndawo esisebenza yona namhlanje. Iningi labo ke abantu bokuhamba kungebona bala abana amaphepha ukuba la eSouth Africa baboshelwe lokho base police station njengoba ngikhuluma nawo. Kukhona ke abanye sibabophele ukudayisa ama drugs kunama drugs amaningi siwatholile emabhilidini.
Raid in Durban, illegal immigrants. Raid in Durban, raid in Durban, raid in Durban. All illegal immigrants today. Started 4 a.m.
This bag with over 100,000 US dollars was thrown outside the window as officers went in to raid the building. This is almost 4 million or over 4 million rand.
A few moments later.
What do you think of this raid that was so successful? And we should always be grateful to General Umkhwanazi for always being in the forefront. And also what I've noticed is that Yazi, you would swear we do not have a police minister, yet we are getting so much results. He is not in the spotlight. He's actually working. Unlike, you know who I'm talking about, who was always there at the scene, trying to be trying to be at the forefront, trying to make sure the spotlight was on him, yet there were no results. But look, now we have Minister Usenzo Mchunu. He's not in the forefront. Umkhwanazi is driving his vehicle like KZN, producing result daily. We should be grateful Tina like KZN. We have such a dedicated police commissioner, unlike other provinces. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, don't skip the ads, and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.